Wait, let me confess something. The same aunties that once said, "Ah, why are you wearing cotton? Na bedsheet you wear," are the same people asking, "Please, where did you buy this your fine Bubu gown?" So today, we need to talk. Why does Bubu refuse to go out of fashion? Who is renewing its contract every year? Because at this point, Bubu is not trending. Bubu is ruling. If you think Bubu is just big gown that hides body, my sister, sit down, because this fabric has done rebranding, transformation, and resurrection more than NEPA lights. See, let's break it down properly. Comfort is king. The first reason Bubu keeps trending is comfort. You see that feeling when you attend Owambe, eat more jollof rice, eat more fried chicken, and add more everything, and your zip is not fighting for your life. That is Bubu anointing, my sister. Bubu does not judge. Bubu expands with your destiny. Bubu understands. In a world where everyone is snatched and structured, Bubu said, relax, breathe, be rich in comfort, and women chose peace. Bubu flatters everybody. Let me tell you the real tea. Bubu does not discriminate. Whether you're slim, curvy, pregnant, my dear, even if you ate too much, Bubu forgives immediately. No other outfit has this level of emotional intelligence. That's why designers keep reinventing Bubu gowns. Belted Bubu gowns, structured Bubu gowns, kaftan style Bubu gowns, luxury silk Bubu gowns, Ankara statement Bubu gowns. My dear, it is shapeless, but somehow it is powerful. Bubu screams wealth without trying. You know what Bubu really did? It convinced the world that effortlessness is expensive. When a woman walks in wearing a flowing Bubu gown, sunglasses, structured bag, soft heels, my dear, she doesn't look stressed. She looks like she owns property in 3 countries. Bubu gives that I have staff. Even if the only staff you have is your younger cousin washing plates. My dear, we love soft life. Oh. Social media helped Bubu gown evolve. Right now we have dramatic sleeves, feather details, hand-beaded necklines, high sleeves, luxury fabric. Like before, Bubu was like I'm going to market kind of way. But right now, Bubu is I'm stepping into a brunch at 2 p.m. and my driver is waiting. It is so versatile for church, weddings, birthday shoots, airport fashion. There is no event Bubu cannot attend. It is socially flexible. Now, let me tell you what happened to me one day. I wore one fitted structured dress to an event, but I could not breathe properly. I could not sit. I could not eat. I could not just function well. And the next event, boom, I wore Bubu gown. I finished 2 plates, took pictures, I danced, I collected compliments, I went home in peace and happiness. That day I knew fashion is not about suffering, it is about strategy. Here is the truth that nobody says. Trends die when they are stressful. Now, Bubu is not stressful. It adapts, it evolves, it forgives, it empowers. And as long as women want elegance without discomfort, Bubu will reign. It is not trend, it is lifestyle. So next time someone says, Bubu again, Just smile, because while they are struggling in tight outfits, you are floating in confidence. Now tell me, are you team fitted or team freedom? Drop your answers in the comment section. And if you love fashion that makes sense, subscribe, because here we dress smart, not stressed. Thanks a lot for watching this video. I remain Queen the Creative. Like this video, subscribe, and feel free to share. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye for now.